Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will look into the visa-free countries for Nigerian passports. According to the Henley Passport Index, which is a global ranking of countries according to the freedom of travel, that these countries' common passports allow their citizens. Nigeria currently ranks 98th in the world for the most powerful passports in the world. These are the visa-free countries for Nigerian passport holders in 2024. Barbados, Benin, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Cape Verde, Islands, Chad, Cook Islands, Côte d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast, Dominica, Fiji, Ghana, Guinea-Bissau, Haiti, Kiribati, Liberia, Madagascar, Mali, Micronesia, Montserrat, Niger, Niue, Rwanda, Senegal, Sierra Leone, St. Kitts and Nevis, the Gambia, Togo, Vanuatu. Then there are countries where you can obtain a visa on arrival. Visa on arrival means that travelers must obtain a visa in order to enter the destination country, but it can be obtained upon arrival. Visitors do not need to apply for a travel visa beforehand. Countries where you can obtain a visa on arrival: Burundi, Cambodia, Comoro Islands, Djibouti, Iran, Lebanon, Maldives, Mauritania, Mauritius, Mozambique, Palau, Samoa, Somalia, Timor-Leste, Tuvalu. When you put together the countries where Nigerian passport holders can get a visa when they arrive, and the ones where they don't need a visa at all, they can visit 45 places without needing a visa. It's interesting to know that nowadays, a Nigerian passport is ranked 98th, but it used to be 62nd back in 2006. Remember that the visa-free destinations might change, so always do your research. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to let us know by commenting yes. Please also let us know which passport you want us to make a video about next. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.